Bathing a cat can be a stressful experience for both you and your furry friend. Many cats become anxious, scratch, or try to escape, making the process challenging and overwhelming. Thankfully, here are some simple and easy ways to bathe a cat without causing stress. First of all, trim your cat's nails before the bath. Be sure not to cut into the quick, as this will cause bleeding and pain for your cat. Then, brush your cat's fur. Brushing should be done prior to a bath, as a thorough brush removes loose hairs and significantly improves the effectiveness of the shampoo in cleaning the skin. Fill a bucket with warm water before starting the bath, making sure it is not too hot. Cats are usually more comfortable in a closed bathtub. Slowly pour water over your cat's body, using warm water. Do not stress your cat during the bath, as in anger it can hurt itself and you. Make sure to completely wet your cat with water. Use a gentle, high-quality cat shampoo that's specifically formulated for feline skin to keep your cat safe and comfortable during bath time. Apply the shampoo and give your cat a good rub down, working from the neck to the tail. Massage the shampoo into the fur and down to the skin. You can use a wet cloth with water and shampoo to wipe the face, protecting the eyes from getting shampoo in them. Now rinse completely, paying particular attention to the groin area, armpits, and between the toes. Apply a second application of shampoo if needed. Make sure to completely remove the shampoo, as leftover residue can irritate your cat's skin. Now dry your cat with a cloth. Use a dry towel to rub vigorously until your cat is completely dry. Your cat can also be dried more quickly with a hairdryer set on a slow, gentle setting. Comfort your cat after the bath and let it rest or sleep if it wants, gently stroking and speaking softly to help it feel safe, calm, and completely relaxed. After the bath, give your cat a tasty treat or gentle petting to show them they did a great job. This positive reinforcement helps them associate bath time with something enjoyable and less stressful. You can also use silicone bathing brush to make cat baths less stressful. Its soft, flexible bristles gently massage the cat's skin while spreading shampoo evenly, helping to relax your pet. It also removes loose fur and dirt without pulling or hurting the cat. Using a silicone brush can turn bath time into a more soothing and enjoyable experience for your furry friend. With patience, gentle handling, and the right tools, bathing your cat can become a calm and stress-free experience for both of you.